Hello everyone, welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today we will explore a giant and gentle creature that is not only one of the largest land animals, but also a symbol of intelligence, patience, and family bond. Elephants are the largest land animals with two main species, African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are usually larger, with big, wide ears, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and a rounder head. One of the most distinctive features of elephants is their long, curved tusks, which they use for protection, digging, and even displaying power. The elephant's trunk is an incredibly versatile part of their body, serving as both a nose and a hand, helping them grasp objects, drink water, and communicate. Elephants are known for their remarkable intelligence in the animal kingdom. They have an excellent memory, can recognize members of their herd, and even show empathy when another elephant is in distress. Elephants communicate with each other in various ways, from trumpeting sounds to low-frequency signals that humans cannot hear. They also use their bodies, trunks, and ears to convey messages, from expressing emotions to warning of danger. Elephants live in herds, usually led by an older female called the matriarch. Herds typically consist of females and their young, while male elephants often live alone once they mature. Female elephants take great care of their young, and the herd has strong bonds, always protecting and helping one another. Elephants are herbivores, with a diet that includes leaves, grass, fruits, and bark. An elephant can eat up to 150 kilograms of food each day and drink up to 200 liters of water. Elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystems where they live, from creating pathways in the forest to dispersing seeds through their feeding. In many cultures, elephants are seen as symbols of good luck, strength, and wisdom. However, the relationship between elephants and humans is not always harmonious. Illegal poaching for ivory and habitat destruction are serious threats to elephant populations in the wild. The global decline in elephant numbers is a serious issue, particularly due to poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are being implemented worldwide, from banning the ivory trade to protecting natural reserves. Educating communities about the importance of protecting elephants also plays a crucial role in ensuring a future for these precious animals.